choice. Yeah, then we'd add fuel to the fire. And yeah, imagine if we had a voice, what would we say? They just deny us. Gone are the days of virtue and honor. Christ that we fought for, burned on the wall. Let it never be said that we truly learned from darker days. Pressure that keeps falling on my shoulders from high and low. Ain't no justice